Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Every time when we go to Starbucks, we just love to eat lemon loaf. So today I tried to recreate classic Starbucks lemon loaf. It's super moist, lemony, and very easy to make. So let's go and see how it comes out. Okay, to make this lemon loaf, we need all-purpose flour, egg, lemon zest, sugar, salt, yogurt, lemon juice, baking powder, butter, unsalted butter, and poppy seed. Poppy seed is optional, so if you want you can add the poppy seed, if not you can just not. So for all the measurement of these ingredients, please look in the description box. Ingredients for the lemon syrup, for that you need lemon juice and sugar, and please look in the description box for the ingredients measurement. These are the ingredients for the lemon frosting. So for that you need lemon zest for the decoration, and this is icing sugar, this is the lemon juice again, and for the measurement of these ingredients please look in the description box as well. So you have to sift all the dry ingredients. I have a new gadget at home for sifting. We'll start to do the cake. So first I'm adding the butter in. This is sugar. Since I have a KitchenAid, I'm using the KitchenAid mixer. You can use a hand mixer as well. So you have to on high heat of 2, and then do like this about 2 minutes. Okay, so it needs to be to this consistency. Now I'm going to add in the egg. So just add in 1 egg at a time. Okay, the eggs has been mixed well. So now you have to add the lemon zest. Mix for a few seconds. Okay, so I'm going to add in the flour that we sieved little by little, okay? Not everything at one point. Salt, lemon juice, a little as well, and yogurt. So it needs to be in speed number 1. So if you're using the hand mixer, it needs to be speed number 1 as well. Please do not over mix it. Now I'm adding the rest of the flour. Yogurt. Lemon juice. And finally I'm going to add the poppy seed. Poppy seed is optional. It's up to you if you want to add. If not, that's okay. Mix everything for about 1 or 2 minutes. This is the mold for the lemon loaf. I have sprayed some butter with this brush, and then also I have put a parchment paper here So the parchment paper, I put it in this way. So once the lemon loaf is ready, I can just take it out. It's easy for me to take it out. So it's optional. You guys can do whatever way that you guys prefer. So this is the batter. I'm going to transfer the batter in the mold that I prepared. Okay, so as usual, I have preheated the oven. So preheat the oven for 350 degrees. And once it's done with 350, we will put the cake in. Okay, so it's have come to 350 degrees now. And I'm going to put this lemon cake in the oven. Oof, so hot. Okay. So bake this for about 1 hour. So I'm switching off the oven and going to take out the lemon cake. This to cool down first for a couple minutes. Okay, so I'm going to do a lemon syrup. This is sugar and this is the lemon juice, and I'm going to put this in the microwave. Okay, take a sharp screwer, make a hole in the lemon loaf as much as you can. This is to make the syrup, the lemon syrup that we prepared earlier, to go in. You know, like it will give you the lemony taste. Okay, now take a brush and just spread over the lemon loaf with the syrup that we prepared earlier. Just generously spread all over the lemon loaf so that it will go inside the cake, since we already make a hole with the screwer. So it will just go inside, but not a lot of other lemon syrup. If not, it will make the cake a little bit soggy. To transfer the cake into the plate, so I'm just going to do this pressure. Slowly try. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to do the lemon frosting. So this is the icing sugar, the lemon juice. So just have to pour everything in and just mix until you have the so I will say when it comes. Here the lemon frosting is ready. I'm gonna pour on top of this cake. Slowly and steady. Spreading the lemon frosting, there is a lemon zest I have prepared earlier. I'm going to just put it on top. This is optional. You can do it if you want. If you doesn't want to, then that's okay. Some of them, they don't like too strong of the lemon flavor, so if you don't like, you don't have to do it. So that's it. The lemon loaf is ready. I will display in the picture how it looks like when I cut it off.